name is Venita Madaan. My biggest qualification is like chartered accountancy, and for now it's US CPA. As far as my professional knowledge concerned, I'm associated with Clarivate, which is a US based MNC. My manager suggested that if you want to do further enhancement in your career, there are few courses you can opt, and we can also support you with some leaves and all. It will give me a good edge, understanding towards everything which is happening there in my organization. So yeah, first of all, do not be afraid of the material. You'll have a lot of things to remember, but the test is not about your remembrance. It is about your understanding of the concept. Second is manage your time. So if you are struggling in some MCQ or some simulation, so just leave it for the time, and then go to others. Don't stuck with just one question or two questions. Third thing is that just don't be worry about your result. CBA matlab miles,